Hey Gauri. Yeah, so I found exact steps for the issue that I had communicated with you regarding duplicate records. You can try it at your end and then report it. So what is happening here is like I have two entities selected, one employee and one pool. So I'll go to the task settings and I'll add the logged in employee as a manager or employee, whatever. Both will work. So I'm going to add this as a manager. Okay, and now I'll save and close. I'll expand this entity, the one I just added, and then I'll refresh this employee section. So you can see now I have duplicate records. Uh, so earlier there were 6 employees, now I have total 12. If I refresh again, the duplicate records get disappeared, and now it's working fine. But at first refresh it, I mean it's yeah, at first refresh it shows all the records twice, so there is duplication. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.